Inverters. What is the difference between this equipment and this one? This is the battery charger, and this is the inverter. This one, the input is AC, and the output DC. Okay, what is the other name of this element? AC
Rectifier.
input and DC output.
Correct.
What is the name of this equipment? Rectifier. Rectifier. The element that you have to charge your cell phone, you plug it on the outlet 120, and the output is 3 volts, 3.5 volts DC, no? To charge the cell phone. This is other rectifier, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
The alternator produce DC power, and internally have a group of diodes to rectify the AC current, you remember? Into DC, the rectifier. Okay, the battery charger is a rectifier, and the marine battery charger is a sophisticated rectifier. The circuit board is a perfect circuit board, and the DC output signal is perfect. The DC output signal coming from the rectifier is exactly the same DC signal that you have in the battery when you read the voltage between positive and negative. It's not similar, it's exactly the same. For that reason, with a good battery charger, I can charge a battery, no? I can recharge the battery. It's clear? Oh, can I charge this battery with the charger of your cell phone?
No.
Yeah, you can, but you spend 27 days charging that battery, or 30 days, or 40 days, because how much amps produce your charger of your cell phone? It's 2 amps, 1 amp, no? And how much amps have this battery? 100 amps. You need 100 days, no? To charge this battery. Yeah, you can, but you spend a lot of time. Can I charge this battery 100 amps with a battery charger 10 amps? Yeah. Yes, but I need 11 hours. You see? It's 10 times. Okay. Depending on the capacity in amps per hour, I charge the batteries faster or slow. Yeah? Right? Okay, this is the battery charger. And what about this? This is what?
Inverter.
What is the difference with the battery charger? In this one, the input is
DC.
DC, positive and negative. And the output is
AC.
hot, neutral, and ground, AC. Oh, nice, no? But this one is more sophisticated, because this one converts this signal into that one. Oh, wow. You remember that signal was possible because the rotation of the magnets in front of the coils, no? When each positive and negative pass in front of the coil, one cycle is produced. Okay, with rotation of electromagnets, it's easy to produce AC signal. Where is the rotor and the stator here? Nothing. How they create that signal? Is simulated. Electronically, is simulated in the circuit board with the computer. For that reason, at the end, the output signal is not a perfect sine wave. It's a little square, a little triangle, it's not perfect. It's simulated. Everybody follow me? For that reason, you see in the label of the battery charger, perfect output signal. It's not perfect. It's, okay. The more expensive the inverter, the best quality of the output signal. Pretty close to the real, but it's not real. They say in the label real signal. It's not real. It's approximated. It's a good approximation. This inverter is for 4 kilowatts, 4,000 watts. And the price of this one, $7,000, $8,000. That. It's a lot of money.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, Mr. Lopez, but in Harbor Free, there are inverters for 4,000 watts, $350. Oh, yeah. Can you bring that inverter and we connect the oscilloscope and we check the output signal of this and the output signal of the other one, $300? The output signal of this is practically a real sine wave. It's pretty similar. It's a little square, but it's pretty close. And this one is a triangle. it's not a sine wave, no? Okay, I have a question. For example, I have an electrical drill or a blower or a fan. Can I connect the fan in the output of this inverter?
Yeah.
Yes, the signal is... Can I connect an electrical drill in the output of this? Okay, in the Mickey Mouse inverter with the triangle signal, can I connect a drill?
Yeah.
Yes, but the drill works at low speed, and in 10 minutes the drill is too hot, and suddenly the batteries are completely drained in the triangle inverter. You understand? That signal is not good. But let me explain. It's not only because the signal is not perfect. This is one reason. The other reason is this. You remember how you calibrate the frequency in a generator? With the RPMs, no?
Yeah.
With the RPMs at the governor or with the RPMs of the carburetor if it's gasoline, with RPMs, no? More RPMs, more frequency, less RPM, less frequency. It's clear, guys? Okay. This element creates a fictitious simulated AC signal. However, that signal created in the computer, simulated signal, doesn't have frequency, no frequency. It's impossible because it's not created for rotation of magnets in front of a coil. This frequency is also fictitious. I am going to explain how is the technique to convert the DC signal into AC signal. Okay, ready? You bring the brain and the pencil, different colors. I need rounded that signal to simulate the sine wave. Okay, they install here in this capacitors, and after that with resistors, and once again other capacitor and other resistor. Finally, the output signal here is like this. Is pretty close. It's pretty close. It's not a perfect signal, but it's pretty close to the sine wave with those capacitors and resistors, capacitor and resistor after the step-up transformer. Let me explain what is the function of the step-up.